Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be organising the bathroom. If you happen to see my last video, which was laundry room organisation, if you haven't, check it out, I'll leave the link below. We are going to follow very similar steps to that in terms of a process to declutter and organise. So first thing in any organisation process is decluttering. So I'm just pulling everything out of the cupboards and going through it and sorting it out. As I'm decluttering, I'm also making sure that I start categorizing as well, so I can get an idea of what I have, how much of each category, and work out what containers I might want to use to store them in. So a really important step is to plan out where exactly you want all your containers to go. So I'm just taking all the containers that I have and putting them in the cupboard to see how they best fit, what the best configuration is, and moving it around until I find something that I'm happy with.